forget to like and subscribe.
Say it, dear.
Go. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Alright guys, what's up? MR.TwoSix checking back in. Here we have the Perfect Grade 7 Sword. So in this video we're going to do the unboxing. So this is going to be fun because it's my first Perfect Grade unboxing. So I'm definitely excited to see the layout, how things are laid out in the box, the stuff it comes with, the quality of the plastic, and all that fun stuff. The little that I do know about the 7 Sword is that recently I've been watching 00 on Hulu, and they only show it in one of the episodes, but I don't think I forgot the pilot's name. I don't think he ever uses it, but they show like the upgraded weapons to the Exia, and the 7 Sword was one of those things, but outside of that I don't think it's ever used, which is pretty interesting why Bandai decided to go with that as a Perfect Grade model. But either way, so I'm gonna move the camera over here because this is a different type of unboxing, so let's get to it. Alright, so here it is. I have MR.TwoSix next to me because she's curious to see what comes in this box too. So if you hear some noises, that's probably her. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this opens up a little differently than your typical box. Right? You have your two latches here. Of course, and I gotta struggle. There we go. Pop that open. Okay. So, and of course you guys can't see anything. Good job. Let's open this up. So, we open the box. That positioning's a little weird. So we open the box and we got these two compartments. So I guess we'll go with A first, right? Let me come around. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay. So on box number 1, we have, and this is A, box A, right? So look at that, that's pretty cool. Kind of like a sketch. That looks pretty cool. That's pretty much it. So let's open this up. This is box A. Okay, caught on something here. There we go. Oh my god. Look at all these runners. Oh my god. It's just a ton of runners. Jesus. Alright, so we have a bunch of beam sabers. We have some white armor pieces. Man. I'm sorry guys, I'm just laughing. This is so over the top. It's not even funny. Oh my god. And this is only one of the 2 boxes. Oh my god. Alright. Open this up. Alright, so here we have 2 white or grayish runners. The plastic feels really good, high quality. Not too much detail on these parts specifically, but let's keep going because clearly we have a ton of stuff to open here. And of course I struggle. There we go. Some black parts or gray parts. Same quality of plastic. It doesn't quite feel like a real grade as far as the quality of plastic, but it's definitely better than a high grade. Probably on the same level as a master grade. Again, red feet, those look like feet parts, and then just some frame parts or whatever that is. Ooh, okay. We have some blue. We have some blue parts. This looks like shield, some shield parts. See, now this feels really good. Feels really good. Okay. Then we have a little baggie here. I'm not gonna go into taking all this stuff out, but we have a couple springs, more than a couple, 2, 4, 6 springs, some screws. Ooh, some clear green stuff here. Ah, whatever. Let's open this. Okay. These are like plastic etched parts. That's pretty much it. And a bunch of screws and nuts, and then 6 springs. So let's go ahead and put this back in here. I know you guys cringe as I just throw them back in their spot. Okay, next bin. So we have, okay, finally, we have some clear green parts and teal. Oh, I don't know if you can see that, if it'll show it. Barely. So there, it says 00, Gundam 00, I can't really tell. That's pretty cool. And even on these, the smaller ones, there's something etched on the inside. Yeah, GN00. So that's pretty cool. Do these smaller ones have it? Yeah, these smaller ones have something on the inside too. So that's pretty cool. Those little details, which hopefully they come through behind the LEDs. Next, we have another set of blue parts. Again, quality feels pretty good. No complaints there. So we have more red parts. Okay, nothing special. And more white parts. Oh man, look at the pilot. Look at the size of the pilot. That's pretty cool. Just to give you guys a sense of scale, the one I'm holding in my hand, that's let me get it better. That's Mikazuki from the Master Grade Barbatos. Now look at the size difference. It's pretty considerable. That's pretty cool. So put Mika back up where he belongs next to Barbatos. Okay, so next, are these polycaps? No. Oh, maybe. Okay. So yeah, these must be like some form of polycap. These are like rubber. These pieces here are rubber. Yeah, probably some for some type of polycap. Ooh, looks like more polycaps. Okay, so no. So these are just plastic, hard plastic. Yeah, can't really tell what part of the mobile suit that they are, but and then here, 2 more runners, black parts. These are probably for the frame. That's all I can think of. They're both identical. The 2 runners are identical. So far not too bad. Yeah, there's a lot of parts, but you have to remember the scale is also bigger. It's 1/60th. So next little compartment. There we go. Some more black parts. Again, these runners are identical. They're identical. Next bag. This just keeps going and going and going. So this has 1, 2, 3 runners. So we have I have no idea what, some hinges and stuff like that, some ball joints. These looks like frame parts. Looks like the skirt, the back part of the skirt, armor, and yeah, some more frame parts. Next baggie. More parts, more frame parts it looks like. 2 more runners. Are these identical? Yes, 2 H runners. And then here we have two more runners. I mean, here we have the last 2 runners of this box. 2 different runners. More black parts. So that's actually a lot of runners for this space here. And then we also have the LEDs. 2 LEDs. Some more of that etched plastic. Some more springs. That's pretty much it in here. And then finally, oh my god. Finally here we have the manual. This thing is like a freaking book. Look at that. How many pages is this? This is, okay, 47 pages. And the quality of the book is extremely good. I mean, it feels like a magazine. Look at that. Then placement of the decals. So pretty good. Am I gonna start this tonight? Maybe. I'll leave that out. So there we go. So there are, that's box A. This is all of box A. Let me go ahead and remove the beam saber effect parts. Man, these are pretty big. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so this is all box A. So let's go to box B. Put box A to the side. Oh, my back. Box B. I'm guessing by the box is just the weapons. So, let's pop this open and see what we got. Okay, so this box isn't as organized as box A, but looking at it really quick, this is just the Seven Sword part. No, since might as well. Okay, so we have some of the parts that go on the what looks like the shield of the Seven Sword. I'm guessing this is the V-fin right here. And so that's that. Next, we have runner got stuck. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. So we have some more effect parts. Pretty cool. I like that it's a different color other than red or pink. And then more of the shield right there. Oh, I need that. So in that next bag we have a copper wire. Interesting, it literally is copper wire. Huh. Just a basic electrical wire. And then more parts of the shield. This is, yes, these runners are the same. Runners SF. Both are SF. So two runners are the same. Then we have the next bag, we have a white runner, and this thing's gonna be massive. And then some gray parts. I'm guessing this is the part that goes underneath or on the inside part of the shield or the sword. I call it the shield because it looks like a shield. I'm probably wrong, but it's okay. Okay, so here we go, some more parts. Another two runners, two black runners. Next bag. Okay, this is pretty cool. So this clear runners, and clearly this looks like a base of some kind. So obviously the base, and then the hinge to hold up whatever it is, maybe for the sword itself or the Gunpla. I don't know. Excuse me. So we have Another 2 runners, a small one here. And then another runner right here, fairly small. Next bag. So we have 2 small runners of clear parts. 2 small runners of clear parts. Are these the same runner? Yes. SH. These are identical runners. And lastly, the last bag here. Oh, yay. Stickers and decals. Or dry transfers. Gotta love them. So I'm gonna need that separately. So that was box B, which is mainly the sword itself. So let's get this all back in here somehow, some way. And that's it for box B. Now we also have some other stuff in the box. Really just one thing. Is the GN drive unit. Cool. Okay. And this comes with 2. Of course, I don't have a knife or scissors with me. There we have the GN drives. 2. It comes with 2. And obviously, no battery or nothing in them, so they don't work until you put it together. But yeah, so yeah, let's take it back up top. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Perfect Grade 7 Sword. So we're gonna put this together. I don't know how long it's gonna take me. This is a lot of parts. But it's also a big kit, so hopefully we can get this put together in a reasonable amount of time, and I can get you guys this review as soon as possible. So until then, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the other side. So until then, peace.